to, I don't know.
Yeah.
One thing that I'd like to know would probably, I don't know.
I definitely want to know how to deposit a check. I don't have a debit card yet, and I want to know how to use a debit card.
Definitely like time management stuff, how to manage money and everything like that.
Kind of just management, like time management and money management, which sounds super adulty and weird.
Guiding me towards success, I guess.
Learning how to live on your own, like paying rent or fixing something that's broken with the house or a car.
Making sure that I can take care of myself kind of on my own.
How to take care of myself and my home.
Finances, like banking and credit cards and taxes. It's like tax season last season was like so stressful just because there was like, I had like 3 or 4 different things to fill out. It was so stressful and nobody ever taught us how to do that, so.
Taxes for sure. I'd love to know how to do that.
Taxes.
Or how to have common sense, because I have none of that.
Just learning how to truly be on your own in terms of finding an apartment and finding roommates so that you can split rent, learning how to manage your money better, things like that.
To just stay calm and to not be so frightened whether I'm gonna call my boss or call or talk to people.
Something probably to do with housing, because I can cook for myself and I feel like I could find a job, but I think having a house or some sort of living space or taxes, that'd kind of be hard to figure out on your own.
Relieving stress, and anxiety and depression, because I have a lot of those.
Teaching me the basics, like how to write a check and and how to cash out a check, or and I have really bad social anxiety, and when I pay for things I get really anxiety-ish and just to be able to just calm myself down and just know what I'm doing for sure.
Probably money management, like not spending all of my money or actually putting it into some sort of savings account so I can have interest and gain more money.
And also having time management, because I feel like I overbook myself with everything. You know how that goes. Yeah.
The biggest thing would be money managing skills, as well as making connections with people. I think making connections is a big part of being in the real world. Having people behind you who really do support you, who are truly there for you, really helps everything in the long run.